Hello kid, welcome to another exciting segment on mathematics. Today's topic promises to be very interesting. I would love you take up your writing materials and write down important points as I progress on this teaching. Today's topic is a triangle. A triangle is a term we use in our everyday mathematics. We are going to be learning the definition of a triangle. A triangle is a shape with three enclosed sides. A triangle is not a quadrilateral because quadrilaterals have four enclosed sides. Example of quadrilaterals are rectangles and squares. So you can see that those quadrilaterals have four sides, but a triangle has three sides. So therefore, a triangle is not a quadrilateral. The next of our focus is types of triangle. The types of triangle we have are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, we have scaling triangle, and we have right angled triangle. Okay, now our first type of triangle is equilateral triangle. Please, I want you to write down the properties of an equilateral triangle, so that next time you see an equilateral triangle, you can identify them. Okay, alright. It has all three sides equal. All the three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. So therefore, if all the three sides are equal, it therefore means all the three angles of an equilateral triangle are equal as well. And remember, we have three angles. So each of the angles are 60 degrees. Together, they form 180 degrees. Number 3, it has three lines of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a line that can divide a shape into two equal parts. So it therefore means I can divide an equilateral triangle into two equal parts in three different ways. Let's see. This is my equilateral triangle. I have side A, and I have another side A, making them equal. So I can divide my equilateral triangle in this manner. I could also divide it in this manner, and I could also divide it in this other manner, making my one line of symmetry, two lines, and three lines of symmetry. So this tells me that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Number 2 type of triangle is isosceles triangle. Wow. This triangle is so easy to figure out. Write down the properties, and next time I know for sure you can identify an isosceles triangle. Number 1, only 2 out of each 3 sides are equal. Only 2 sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. And remember, if 2 sides are equal, it therefore means that 2 of each angles will be equal. So only 2 angles out of these 3 angles are equal as well. Now the next thing, can I divide an isosceles triangle? Yes, I can divide, but I can only divide an isosceles triangle in only one way. So therefore, it has only one line of symmetry. It has only one line of symmetry. Okay, now this is an isosceles triangle. I have my side, I have my second side. Remember, the two sides are equal, but the third side is not equal with the other two sides that are equal. And remember, I can only divide my isosceles triangle in only one way. So therefore, it has only one line of symmetry. This is an isosceles triangle. Number 3 type of triangle here is a scaling triangle. Another interesting type of triangle. Please, I want us to explore the properties so that we can identify a scaling triangle anytime we see it. Now, for a scaling triangle, all the sides put together, they are unequal. In other words, none of the sides are equal. Remember, from equilateral down to isosceles, only scaling triangle has no sides equal. So therefore means none of its angles are equal as well. None of its angles are equal as well. Now, can I divide a scaling triangle? No. It has no line of symmetry because none of the sides are equal. It has no line of symmetry. This is a scaling triangle. I have my side A. I'm going to have another side with another dimension B. Therefore means my third side will be another dimension. So C. And I cannot divide it. So this is my scaling triangle. Now, another type of triangle is a right angle triangle. Wow. When you hear the word right angle triangle, what comes to your mind is 90 degrees. This is a special type of triangle that has 90 degrees. It has one of its angle as 90 degrees. Now, why 90 degrees? Therefore means this triangle must have two straight lines. Because only two straight lines can make 90 degrees. So, two of its lines meet forming an S-shaped perpendicular line at 90 degrees. Okay. Now, can I divide a right angle triangle? No. It has no line of symmetry. This is a right angle triangle. You can see the perpendicular line, and I can see the sign of the 90 degree there. That is my right angle triangle. Now, our next focus will be some basic angles in a triangle. We have some basic angles in a triangle. We see. And how do we name these triangles when we see these angles? Number 1, we have acute angles. Acute angles, they are angles that are less than 90 degrees but greater than 0. These angles are greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. So anytime you have angles within that range, they are called acute angle. Another angle is obtuse angle. These are angles that are greater than 90 degrees. All the angles greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees are called obtuse angle. Okay? Then we have another special type of angles, right angle. The word right gives you the consciousness of 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degree angle. Okay. Now we are going to be identifying these triangles. On your screen, you can see the different triangles. We have number 1 triangle, only two sides are equal. Now I know you can tell me What type of triangle is number 1? Number 2, we have all the sides equal. Number 3, we have no sides equal. Number 4, we have a triangle forming an L-shaped perpendicular line. We have number 5, a triangle having an angle that is greater than 90 but less than 180. And number 6, we have another triangle having an angle that is less than 90 degrees but greater than 0. So we are going to be identifying this triangle. Number 1 triangle which have only 2 sides equal is an isosceles triangle from the properties that were given. Then number 2, all the sides were equal, so it's an equilateral triangle. And number 3, remember, no sides were equal, so where's the triangle? It's a scaling triangle. Wow, this is getting interesting. Then number 4, I want you to tell me the type of triangle. That triangle is a right angle triangle because it has a L-shaped perpendicular line forming 90 degrees. Number 5 type of triangle have an angle that was greater than 90 degrees but less than 180, which make it an obtuse angle or obtuse triangle. The last is a triangle having an angle that was less than 90 degrees but greater than 0. So this angle is an acute angle. You can see that it is easy for us to identify these triangles. Kid, I want you to go over this lesson, digest it, understand it, then you move on to your game session and identify the triangles there, after which you go over to your assignment, download the PDF file and solve all questions on the worksheet and upload for me. Till we meet again, I say bye for now.